And for BVL, someone asked me to make a sample about the Android WebView, so that he can load his website properly into the WebView. His web is working. So I decided to make a sample using the AppBajar library so that you can make a very simple WebView app which can load any sort of web page properly. Let's start from the crash. Here I am using the Android Studio to create the sample. Let's make the name WebView sample using AppBajar Library. Let's start with an empty activity. Okay, this is the main activity. Don't need to change anything there. My computer is a little slow, that's why it is taking much time. Well, I had the basic project which is created using the Android Studio automatically. Well, so here the basic project with an activity named main activity, and layout file the activity main, the hello world. Let's switch it to WebView. Let's assign an ID, ID.mywebview. Okay, so activity things is done. Let initialize the WebView from the main activity. My WebView. Just to make the code cleaner, I just made a method named initUI where all initialization will be occurred. So let's initialize the WebView. Dot dot my WebView. So here's the basic initialization of the WebView. Now let's apply the magic using the AppBajar library here. We will just write 2 or 3 lines to make the WebView functional. So let's open the Gradle and add the AppBajar library dependency here. Okay, let's find the AppBajar library details from the GitHub. So here's the GitHub URL of the AppBajar library. Let's copy the line into our project and sync it. Well, the synchronization is done. So now we can access the AppBajar libraries function, and we will add a method WebViewFormatter, which will format the WebView to load the webpage properly. WebViewFormatter. Here are several methods for different things. Like if you want a full screen WebView, here you can use this. If you want to change the background color of the WebView, you can use this. And if you want to use a client like Chrome client or Mozilla client, you can use the method. So if we exclude the method here, we'll check see that it will accept 3 parameters like the WebView, split screen. I mean, if you can turn off the function to show the WebView full screen or not, and if you want to enable the WebView client, then you can pass the parameter as true. So we will just first WebView, let's make it full screen true, and let's make it enable client true. So the WebView formatting is done using just one method. Let's load the webpage now. Load. The guy asked me to show the webpage properly. Fantastic. So our program is done. Let's show the output. I have the emulator open already. Let's try to see the output. The build is done. Now it is installing the APK into the emulator. Great. AppBajar sample using AppBajar library. The program is over, but here we are seeing an error. This is just error cache miss. That means we made an error. And this is because we didn't have the permission of internet. So I need to give the permission of internet here and apply changes. Here we are seeing a progress bar which is already being used by the AppBajar library, so we don't have to separate programs to show the progress bar. This is the magic of AppBajar library. Great, so our WebView is complete and our WebView sample is loading the web page properly, and this is already responsive. It is showing as full screen, and this is very similar of the web part. Great, so using the AppBajar library, we have just applied one method to format the WebView, and the method already reads several texts like adding JavaScript options, adding agent, adding full screen features, and the end-to-end WebView formatter using the WebView client. So let's see what the client is doing actually. My WebView client. So my WebView client actually doing several things here. This is just showing a busy now dialog or progress bar when the page is being started, or when the page finished the loading, the progress bar is being opt. So here we are done, and now I will upload the code into GitHub. And now I will upload the code into GitHub so that you can access later. And I am hoping everyone and I am expecting everyone to use the AppBajar library for their projects so that they can save several times by reading the code, which is very simple and common. Thank you guys.